Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 17th of January 2018 and we are live in the market. I will be analyzing Nifty 50. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for any of your profit or loss. Now Nifty 50, I showed you in my previous videos in the analysis of Nifty 50 that we are in bull mode and what can happen is after we have touched here, I mean this was a resistance zone, a long-term resistance zone, so a little bit of consolidation will happen. And yesterday we saw that we had a sharp down move. So this was the reason where we booked our profits, and since we knew that this resistance region is a place where some consolidation can happen, that's why I did not trade anything at this level. So now how deep that correction will be. So currently we are positive in the market, but it does not mean that we are going to have a breakout right now. So one thing is how deep this correction can be. Let's discuss this. My best bet is we are not going to go below 10,550. It can happen that we can break out at this because we are in a strong Elliott wave, third of the third. I mean there are a lot of nested or since we know that Elliott wave patterns are fractal patterns, so we know that they are subwaves. So this is something that we can break out at this level, but then let's discuss that what happens if we continue to go down. So my best bet is 10,550 is the level which should not be breached if we have to continue on this bull mode, and then we will see that what happens. So currently we are going up, that is a good sign, and let's see that are we able to break this level of around 10,790 or let's say 10,800. So this is time to watch, and we'll see that if we get any dip, that will be the time that we add our long position. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.